HackerBox here, and today we're going to play this game called Flood Survival. So the game title name is called Flood Survival Waves. So basically you have to survive from these floods by escaping them. So we're going to get right into it, and RB guys. So guys, we're in this game and we are currently spectating. So we have to wait, I think. So what's this green balloon? Oh, you need Robux. Wow, they survived. So we gotta wait. Map chosen. Wasteland. Wait, what? How do you survive Wasteland? Okay, this is not a good idea. Oh god. Oh god, it's starting. The wave is starting. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Get out. Get out here. Get out here. We gotta go. Okay, we're currently at the top of the building. No. Oh, okay, thank goodness. No, 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 no. No, we're screwed. Oh my goodness. And poof. I'm dead. Great. I could have survived it. Seriously? You're serious, right? Guess. How can Guess win? I'm stepping on this glass pane. Glass. Again? Okay, this time I will definitely not go up. Just gotta step up here. Step up this junk. I'm not going up there. I'm not going up there. Going up there, you die. That makes the building spoiled. Oh! Oh! Okay, the blocks are falling apart. No good, the blocks are falling apart. Get out of here. We need to get out of here. Apart. I lost my leg. My leg's gone. God, I think I'm gonna die. Okay, that guy's gonna... Yes, I won. But I lost my legs. What? So I survived with no legs? God. I have no legs, guys. My legs has been... This? You don't go up there. But you gotta go up there because it's not so safe, but it's the only way to survive. Once this building falls, everybody die. Yeah, basically it's like this. Oh! Almost died. Okay, I don't have a good feeling about this, but we're gonna try. Oh god, okay, the tower's falling. The tower's falling apart. No good, the tower's falling. It's falling. Tower's falling. We're dead. Yes! Whew. Survived. Yeah. Town. What? How did they get their legs back? Okay, this is a good one. I'm gonna go right up the lamppost. Go up here. Yes. Okay, good. I have no other place to go but here. Oh, okay, that's no good. This house is... I think this house is gonna fall. Still rising. Yeah, this house is strong. Okay, it's not strong anymore. No, I can't die. I can't die now. Can't die now. Yes! Survived again. Woo! What next is now? Farm. Town. Oh, okay, this... It's quite okay, I think. Got a shade. Okay, we're gonna stay... there's that place. Oh my god, I should have gone up there. I regret staying here. I'm probably gonna die. Oh, that guy just died. I don't have a good feeling about this place. It's falling. It's falling, it's falling, it's falling. It's falling apart. This shed is falling apart. This shed is falling apart. Only hope is to jump. No! I died. No. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching today's video, as I didn't know what video to do, so I decided to just do a random video. And really big thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have not, like, if my video is not good enough. Like, comment, and subscribe, then I can upgrade the video more. And the intro and the back, it's my new intro for the HackerBucks YouTube video. And really hope you guys will enjoy this intro, and hope and see what intro that I can create next time. So thank you guys. Big thanks once again for watching my video, and hope to see you guys on YouTube, and have a nice day forward.